Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Any means, am I a beauty blogger or will this be a professional like makeup thing? Like I just do what I do because I believe that beauty is subjective. So I'm gonna walk you. I start off by using Handmade Soap by my sister-in-law. I'll link her Instagram in the bio. I don't like to put it on my face specifically because this is the lavender oatmeal and I believe that things with grooves in it can possibly, you know, cut your skin. So me personally, I don't put it on my face. I just lather it up with water and then just scrub it around my face. And I usually do that with cold water and not hot water because from my understanding, hot water will open up your pores and it'll be easier for dirt to get in there and you'll break out more. I already work out hella. There's already hell of crap in my pores and I've already said hella twice. So if anyone wants to keep track of how many times I say hella in this video, feel free. So normally I go with foundation then concealer, but today I'm gonna try concealer and foundation because I was watching a few people's you know, Vogue's Beauty Secrets and they've been doing concealer first. So I'm gonna go in with NYX or NYX, someone tell me how they say it, HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and it is, I think, CW07, and I think this is a little bit too light for me, but I know how to make me look pretty, so I'm just gonna believe that I can do whatever I want. It doesn't look too light on camera. Also remember, on camera it looks completely different than in person, so if y'all see something throughout this video that you're like, nah sis, that is not it, don't drag me, because it looks different for you than it is for me. Okay. I don't have like super oily skin or super dry skin. I'm kind of like a medium. I can kind of get away with a lot, but not too much, honestly. Where did I put my setting? I want to have everything in front of me, so bitch doesn't have to do anything or look for anything. Go out to me, say what you want, except for us. Whatever. Reality. So yeah, kind of outline everything that I'm going to conceal because I already know my spots. I probably should have color corrected before I did that. I don't always color correct, but most of the time I will because I just have this right here and I'll always have a shadow, but who cares? I'm going to now go in with my professional. If you want, we'll find it. It's Fit Me, you know. I don't blend out, I go over with everything. I like to have product on my face to know what I'm gonna work out with. So just kind of ignore me. I think I'm contradicting what I said earlier. Kylie Jenner. From the fact that I work out so much, so I get a lot of that sweat coming down. I have to put concealer on my forehead. I just like am not that lucky to like be able to do that, and I don't always do my eyebrows like this, but you know, we're gonna live. I conceal them before I fill them in. I don't like to pour a lot of foundation on my brush when I go to do my ears, just because I think that it is not ideal. So I'll just take the excess foundation that's on the tip, or if I'm having something that squirts, I'll use a little bit of squirt and I'll just rub it on my brush and go over my ears. I don't like to have a lot of product on my ears because if, like Jackie Aina says, if you're close enough to see my eyeliner is smudged or it's messed up, you need to back the fuck up because you shouldn't be that close to me. Like, you're too close, get away. And if you're noticing that my ears aren't matching the foundation color, unless I'm wearing like a ponytail or like there's something going on there, you're too close, sis. I really don't like to touch the beginning of my eyebrows like at all. I only like to fill in the ends because I feel like that kind of keeps them looking real instead of like filling in the whole eyebrow and just looking crazy. Some people like are magical with the way that they fill in their eyebrows. So I honestly never stress about what they look like now. I'm using LA Colors brow kit and I just kind of do whatever I want now. Like I just feel like I know how I like them to look, and I just kind of like trust myself that I'm going to like whatever I do with my eyebrows. I don't have anything that like I really care to contour with. Sometimes if I don't have anything, or if I don't have like a specific idea of what I want, I'll just contour with eyeshadow. Because I'm black, so like contouring is not like a really big deal for me. My highlight is more important. So I just kind of will make something so that it's kind of like definition for later. And I'm still gonna take my foundation brush again because like contouring is not a big deal for me. I don't even contour my nose. I'm not gonna just go up. Contouring is something that's so scary for some people, and I feel like it just disappears, you know? But I feel like when I do my highlight, it shows up. So because of the fact that I feel like contouring is so scary for some people because they don't know what to do. But I just feel like you have to learn how to know your fate. So I'm going to now highlight. Highlighting is my favorite part. I just like, you know. I'm gonna go in and highlight with Chili Mango from Fenty Beauty. And, you know, to me, this is just like a natural, everyday look. She's not too beat, but she's gonna sparkle. And that's always the goal. Yeah, just like a little bit of Chili Mango. And just blend her on out. Only thing I don't like about these is that I feel like it takes off some of the product underneath, so it makes it a little bit harder. But I will say that this is such a great brand, and we love Fenty Beauty and Rihanna, so who cares? Who's this? I don't hear that. Yeah. We're literally almost done. So when I'm doing like something natural for like just like a everyday moment, I won't do too much with my eyes. I'll add like a little bit of brown in the corner, and we're just gonna blend her on out in circles. And literally ignore the fact that I am probably using the wrong brush for a majority of the things I do. But like, I don't care. I didn't go to beauty school. Like, I will appear 'cause ooh, it's trash. Oh. Yeah. Alright, that's as good as she's gonna get today. I'm famous for my roommates from before for just like literally putting on eyeliner and not caring how it actually came out, just being like, that's what's gonna happen for today. And this is Telescope Carbon Black by L'Oreal Paris. And this is an everyday makeup look from Moi. See, I don't do very much. You know, it's just very, very simple. And I never took time to ask myself why, oh why. On a nigga in the club, the group. And I'll just do a little bit of eyeshadow, mascara on the bottom. Not a lot. Because we just don't want her to look naked. We read this letter and try to make things better.
e.l.f. Finish HD powder. I feel like it makes me look a little ashy, so I don't really use a lot. You should probably do it right there. Because we want, you know, that moment right there, moment. we'll just use a little bit of the HD finishing powder. Like literally, like when I say a little, like a little. Because this makes you look look so ashy. And like, ain't nobody trying to look ashy. But I'm also not trying to sweat the whole day. And I'm not trying to have creases and stuff in my makeup. So very, very little. Just enough under my eyes though. In my trouble area. T-zone, so. Alright. And
this is my face. And it's very simple for the day. And it's, you know, nice and natural. And now I'm gonna go to work. Oh, and if you liked this, like and subscribe and comment for more videos from me. I probably won't do very many like makeup videos, but I'll do some if you like this. And I have more skincare routines, so if you want to see that, I'll make a video about it. But you know, like, share, and comment. My Instagram and socials are Arya Asla, ARYAHASLA. Thank you guys.